probably are thinking, oh my goodness, I know how to breathe, but most people don't know how. So we're gonna go over this for a little bit. How to breathe and how not to breathe. First of all, let's talk about Darth Vader, okay? Because that guy, you know, he had some problems with anxiety, wouldn't you say? Kind of a killer instinct. And I think it has to do with the way he was breathing. Because you remember that? He would breathe like this. And that's the way that a lot of us think we're supposed to take deep breaths. Now, that is actually a good way to breathe, but it's not going to calm you down, not one little bit. So we'll talk about that when I teach you the Energizer breath. Right now, I just want to teach you how to breathe. How not to breathe, I have ADHD, so I'm just going to go all over the place. How not to breathe is to bring in air through your mouth, which is what a whole bunch of us do, especially when we're stressed, is we do this. And you're going to catch yourself. And when you're really stressed, you're going to bend forward like this, and then you're not really going to be able to breathe at all, because as you can see, I'm totally like, you know, curled forwards, and I can't fill my belly with air. So that's the first thing we do when we breathe, is we're going to breathe in through the nose, but fill the belly. Make it big, make it just pooch out there. Be proud of that pooch. And then fill the ribs and feel the air expanding through the spine and all that movement that you get in here. That's breathing, not this thing. Or sometimes as a massage therapist, I ask people, hey, take a deep breath. And what do? That's not a deep breath. And also when you're stressed, like I mentioned, you pull forwards. The amygdala says, tighten down. We got a battle to fight. And so the diaphragm tightens and you curl forwards. Just try that with me, will you please? Let's take a deep breath in this position. That's all I got. It's not going anywhere else. That's all I got. So if I will just lengthen and breathe deeply, breathe with me. Here we go. Filling that belly, filling all the way up into the chest. I'm gonna hold and then lightly let it go. It's amazing, but breathing is one of the most relaxing things you can do for yourself. So, thanks for checking this out. How to breathe, how not to breathe. Remember, Darth Vader, he's not a role model, not in any way, but especially not for breathing. All right, so have a wonderful day. I hope that helps.